Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, taking you guys through a day of my life as a high-ticket closer out here in Bangkok, Thailand, where my friends are coming over right now. We're gonna get punched in the face, get into some boxing, and then straight after that, we're going straight to my friend's gym. He actually owns the gym we're going to, which is pretty cool. And then after that, probably doing some paddling, ice bath, and then yeah, I think that should be pretty much it. I think we're getting cigars after that as well, maybe getting some ice cream with the girl. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'll see you guys when my friends get here. Got Rom over here. Punching the objections away. Alright guys, so now we're at one of my friend's gyms, BPC Fitness, right? And we're gonna hit a quick chest day, get a nice pump for the upper decker, and then go about the rest of the day. We have some more sales calls to take care of, but now we're gonna get in a high frequency state, get the gains in physically, and then later out throughout the day, we're gonna get the financial gains. So stick around, let's hop into it. Nice. Easy 10. Formula 1 wrapping services. Come on, finish it, man. Step up with it. More. Alright guys, we're in the posing room right now, looking massive. Pump is going insane. The mirrors, the angles, the lighting, all coming together. Boom. Boom. Alright guys, we're here now. Acquired a paddle. We acquired a paddle. Now we're gonna destroy David. So let's dive straight in. Alright, right now guys, we're just learning a bit of the technique from No, I think that's what his name is. We got Mr. Nathan right there as well. Two other of our participants here. We're leveling up slowly but surely. Absolutely. Getting the swing in, the power in, the coordination in, leveling up overall. Alright guys, we got absolutely destroyed. 0-6, games lost. Nathan.
We just got beat 4-0 on advantage. First game of paddle.
Good game guys. Good game.
Good game.
They destroyed us. Absolutely destroyed us. We're cooked. Cooked. Well done. Alright guys, so quite the opposite happened at paddle than what I expected. You can literally see here in my calendar. I have destroying David set for 9 to 11 a.m., but it was actually being destroyed by David that actually happened. We're about to head to an ice bath now to recover and come back from our loss and maybe get the momentum going for the rest of today. Because otherwise, if I went home, I'd probably just cry and just soap all day, mope all day, and wonder what happened and paddleball. All right, guys, we made it to the ice bath place. We're about to indulge in the depths of the coldness to wake ourselves back up and conquer the rest of today. Alright, guys, we conquered the ice bath.
You want it?
Here at follow up.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Follow-up setup.
Yeah. We get Alex check if to hit him up.
No, closing call, no show. Call up tomorrow, 10 o'clock.
Yeah. He's DQ.
How do you even start? It's like, what?
Wait, what?
On a no-show call?
Yeah.
You like follow up?
Mm.
What's your process? Like,
I never hit the no shows.
no?
No, I don't have time.
Long wait list?
Yeah. Like,
You get the setters to people want to change the lives of opinion.
yeah, exactly. But have the non-neediness, like, oh, fuck you.
Do you get the setter to go? Follow up.
No, the setter's so lazy. He probably has only dialed 0 times. Exactly, bro. Alright, guys, we're at Cigars right now. We got some shisha as well. We got Nathan puffing, nicotine maxing. Alex and Ram about to indulge as well. Oh yeah, show them the dragon breathing technique. Let's go.
Sorry, Mom.
Kids, do not try this at home. Bangkok dragon.
I think that's another meaning. The dragon of Bangkok belongs in that.
And guys, as a closer, you need 2 things to maintain the high frequency state in order to close every single deal that shows up to your calendar. And that is the sunshine, which is right there. And then number 2, we have shrooms right there. So now guys, take that how you want it, but I've actually just took like 0.7 grams, so just a little microdose to enjoy the day. Yeah, we're gonna have a great time. See you guys out there.